if you're having trouble deciding on what type or which hairdryer you should get, came to the right place. So we have two here, very popular ones, the Conair and the Revlon. So just very quickly, just a rundown. This Conair, it's a very basic, very light hairdryer, great size for kids. In fact, as a guy, I would even like a smaller one. Basically just has two power settings, not much to go wrong. The Revlon, it's more of a styling hairdryer, I guess. There's certain features to it. Basically 3 heat settings, 2 fan settings, and I guess the one feature on here, especially, you know, if you're doing styling, so you can heat up your hair, say it's hot or whatever, and you're using your brush to hold a certain look or whatever, so it's hot, then you can quickly cool down that area by just pressing this button. Then it just blows cold air, so kind of like it will make it hold that look, whatever you're going for. Both of these hair dryers have a concentrator, which is removable. They just snap on and off. The Conair does have a foldable handle, so it's a little bit more compact. A lot lighter, as I said, if I didn't say it already. The Revlon has this volumizer, which actually works really well if you're into getting your hair all puffy or whatever. It really does work. As far as maintenance goes, on the back of your hair dryers, they will. Just go look at yours if you have one right now. If it's all full of fuzz and stuff, you need to take an end for your vacuum. Get it in there and get the vacuum running. Just brush that out of there. It's gonna make your hair dryer last a lot longer, and the reason I'm mentioning that is because the Conair here, now I don't know if this is why, but the fan blades in there failed, so it no longer works. I'm still not going to knock it. As I said, it's a very inexpensive hair dryer. It's only about $16, $17, whereas the Revlon is probably up to about $40. But it is heavier. It seems to be really well made. Not a great choice for the kids, I don't think. I certainly wouldn't recommend it for kids. I'd go with the Conair or something even smaller for kids, or just something to simply dry your hair. I would do this one. This is more for more serious people, I think. Oh, and on the back, on the Revlon, the neat feature that one of the reasons that we bought this one, I guess the mesh here on the back is actually removable. So you would think, well, you can just take that off and make sure it's clean all the time, rinse it out or something. However, it has another mesh filter, and it's all plugged up. So this doesn't do anything. Looks nice, I guess, but you're still gonna have to get your vacuum out. Make sure you clean that out every week or two, because this doesn't do anything. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, have a great day, come back for more. Take care.